What's up, guys? Back here with another video. I'm gonna be putting on my SuperATV AT Warrior tires and my System 3 rims on my 2021 Polaris Ranger Highlifter 1000. So let's go ahead and start the fun. So from the last time I went to Georgia with that clay, I got all this Georgia dirt all up in here. So after each tire, I've been cleaning it out. All in there. I got all that sand and dirt in there. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it out. That looks a little bit better. And I do have Highlifter 1-inch spacers on here, since I have the 2.5-inch Marshall Motor Arts bracket lift on there. So since I got that on there, I got the spacers to stick out the wheels a little bit more, get better stability. So let's go ahead and get that last tire on. Here we go. Got them all on. These are 32 by 10 by 14 System 3 rims on a 2021 Polaris Ranger Highlifter. These are 32s. They come stock with 30s, and I do have Marshall Motor Arts 2.5-inch bracket lift on it. So with that being on there, I clear the 32s perfect. And also, since it's lifted, I do have the 1-inch spacers, Highlifter spacers on it. So it's looking good. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Be back again soon with another video.